Hi everyone, my name is Philip and welcome to my channel. I recently got myself an AC Infinity T8 Cloudline fan. That's a 200mm inline fan for my crypto grow tent. Let's go and unbox it. Open the AC Infinity box and see what we get inside. Okay, we seem to have, we've got our controller. Oh, let's get the menu out. Let's have a quick look at this. Okay, lots of instructions. What have we got here? Oh, lots of detailed instructions here on how to install it, plug it in, fit it, program up the controller and operate it. For a change, we've got a manual that looks like it's all in English as well. All right, let's get this controller out. Okay, let's put that to one side. What have we got here? A Molex adapter, that's quite funny. Alright, we've got a pack of screws, cable ties, all sorts of bits, and a big fitting to secure any ducting. Let's open this one up and have a closer look at what we get inside. Oh, we've got a couple of these, one for the entry and one for the exhaust. Lots of Velcro ties, anchors, lots of little screws for fitting things. Oh, this is a little tie cable for securing or hanging it from something. It looks like a bunch of little rubber standoffs or fittings, not sure what they're for. Alright, looks like we got some kind of control cable. I'm going to guess that is for the temperature probe. Precise sensor probe it says on the packaging there. Okay, let's pull the main unit out. Throw it in a plastic bag. Check upon the weather. Okay, it's got a IEC, I think that's a C13 or C14 connector, and then an adapter to change it to a 3-pin plug for New Zealand. And then we've got, I've got a USB-C connector for something. Not quite sure what just yet. That USB-C adapter, that plugged into the controller, and that's how the controller reads the fan and sets its speed. I hope you found that unboxing helpful, and I'll leave a few more videos around my head of other things that might be of interest.